awesome. We made it through closing. I know we're all excited. That's the big day for all that hard work, and it pays off, and you're gonna be moving into your new home. For some of you, that'll be quicker than others, depending on that possession time that we've already worked out with the seller. So we're just gonna highlight a couple big points. A few of them we've already reminded you of at the closing, like transferring utilities, talking to the post office, changing the address on your ID. Those are some big ones. But there's also things to think about before you move in with all that furniture and things. Like if you're gonna schedule a cleaner, like in the purchase agreement, it's broom swept, so everything's gonna be kind of broom tidied, but maybe not deep cleaned. So if you're looking to have a deep clean, get those scheduled. And it's always easiest to do any renovations, flooring or painting, especially before all that furniture gets in the house. So if you need to hire a contractor, or if you want to talk to some of our vendors that can do some of the remodel work and help out, we can get that to you. And yeah, lastly, the movers. I'm sure you probably either have a plan, maybe some buddies with trucks, or you did hire a moving company, but getting ready for that move on the day of possession. So yeah, just things to think about, and hopefully this doesn't last too long. I know the built up excitement, you're ready to move in. So hopefully you get through this possession period and you're in your new house.